Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today's lesson is all about certain words which I have randomly collected that we probably have been mispronouncing for a long time. Mispronunciation is one major reason why we get frustrated while communicating with a person. So let us see certain words that are commonly mispronounced. Let us move on to word number 1. Athlete. It's not athlete, it's athlete. We know an athlete is a person who is proficient in any kind of sport or any forms of physical exercise. For example, Mike Tyson is a world-class athlete who actually had played the best sport ever devised. Now, word number 2, appreciation. Appreciation, it's not appreciation. I have heard most of us telling appreciation. It's wrong, it's appreciation. We know appreciation is actually the recognition or enjoyment of qualities of a person or something. For example, please accept my token of appreciation. Next word is boutique. It's not boutique, it's boutique. We know a boutique is a small shop that sells fashionable clothes and accessories. For instance, my aunt runs a boutique in Cochin. Another word which is commonly mispronounced is breakfast. Breakfast, it's not breakfast or breakfast, it's breakfast. Breakfast. We know a breakfast is a meal which is eaten in the morning or the first meal of the day. So we can say like, I had my breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. Next word is comedian. Comedian. It's not comedian. We all say comedian. No, it's comedian. Comedian is actually an entertainer on TV or stage who is supposed to make the audience laugh. So we can say, for instance, Kapil Sharma is a famous comedian in my country. And the last and final word for the day is debt. It is not debt, it is debt. D is silent. We know the money that is due is called as a debt. For instance, a poor without a debt is better than a prince. So today we had a discussion on 5 to 6 commonly mispronounced words. They are, the first one is athlete, not athlete. Second one is appreciation, not appreciation. Third one is boutique, not boutique. Fourth one, breakfast, not breakfast. Fifth one, comedian, not comedian. And the last word is debt, not debt. Hope you all enjoyed today's video and I believe it was really informative. For more videos, please like my channel and subscribe my channel. And you can also tell me what topics to be covered in my next videos. You can comment them in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.